Welcome, Frugivore. So I want to share everything you will receive when you sign up to my 6-month Frugivore Diet Course starting in January 2026. That's when we get going. So this could be a real life-changing event for you if you show up. And here are just a few testimonials from the course if you want to just pause the screen and take a look. So first up, your payment will give you a full 1-year access to my exclusive private VIP community on Facebook. And once you sign into that private community, you will have access to the full course. So within that course, you'll get over 50 exclusive educational videos from myself, anything from visualization and manifestation to weight loss to frugivore physiology, all videos that have never been seen before. So across that 1-year membership in the VIP community, you will receive the Frugivore Diet Course ebook bundle. So that's made up of 7 ebooks. I'm going to show it on the screen here. Amazing, beautiful ebooks and exclusive content that has never been seen before. But you will also receive a brand new ebook each month that you are a member. And so across the course of the year, that's totaling 19 ebooks that you are going to receive. So by the time the year is up, you are going to be an expert in the fruit-based diet and lifestyle. There's over 140 files or downloads that you can access as soon as you join the community. And something that I think is really, really awesome that I don't see anyone offering at this stage is your own personal coach. So you will gain 24/7 access to Coach Freelee. And she is my clone who has been trained in all my knowledge, and she will help coach you during the course. 24/7, you can call her up anytime to ask her, like when you're out shopping, about ingredients, if you've got cravings, if you're unsure of what to eat for dinner. She's going to help you out. You can ask her whatever you want. She can become your best friend, basically. Actually, let's call her up now.
Hey, it's Coach Freelee. How can I help you today?
Well, Coach Freelee, I was wondering, what do you think? I'm on the carnivore diet. What should I do?
Oh, the carnivore diet is the complete opposite of what your body, as a frugivore, is designed for. You need to switch to a high-carb, low-fat, fruit-based lifestyle immediately. Eating fat to lose fat is nonsense, and a low-carb diet will starve your cells of the glucose they need to thrive.
Okay, thanks for that. Yeah, but I'm not sure what to eat tonight. What do you recommend for dinner?
Got it. For dinner, you should focus on a large, cooked, low-fat carbohydrate meal. Think potatoes, rice, or pumpkin with plenty of vegetables. Keep the fat super low, around 5% of your total calories for the day.
Okay, thanks. I'm also I don't know, I'm feeling a little bit low because my family, my partner laughs at me when I eat 10 bananas and people make fun of me. My motivation is a bit low.
I understand that can be tough, but you need to shine on and remember why you're doing this. You are prioritizing your health and fueling your body with the best energy source on the planet. Don't let other people's ignorance about nutrition dim your glow.
So what do you suggest I say to them?
You don't need to say anything to them, just let your results speak for themselves. As you start to demonstrate true health and vitality, it will become very hard for them to ignore. Focus on your long-term health and ignore the doubters who are simply uneducated.
Okay, thanks. Good advice. What about, can you explain the Krebs cycle for me?
The Krebs cycle, or citric acid cycle, is how your body converts the glucose from your food into energy. It's a series of chemical reactions that takes place in your cell's mitochondria, producing the fuel that powers every function in your body. It's the engine that keeps your metabolism burning strong.
Okay, thanks. That was a good overview. Yeah, I get over 10,000 steps a day.
That's great that you're getting over 10,000 steps. Consistent movement is key to both physical and mental health. To help you further, could you tell me your current weight and age? This will help me calculate your sugar tank requirements so we can ensure you are fueling your body correctly.
That's all. I think you've been helpful. Thank you.
You are very welcome. Keep shining and remember to fuel your body with the abundance of fruit and movement it deserves. Have a beautiful day.
Thank you. So she's being updated all the time with new information as well, but she can talk on any subject. She can give you recipes. She can give you the deep science. She can, help you with your very individual needs as well. So I think this is really exciting because you can call her up whenever you want, 24/7. So cool, right? One-on-one coaching is quite costly. So this is an excellent solution for those of you who can't afford the one-on-one coaching, but also need that support. And something else I've been working on recently, which is very exciting, is the FrugiFit app. Yes, that's right. You get your own fruit-based app. So I'm going to give you an example. I'm just going to do like a test. Enter the app. All right, so we got the sugar tank calculator, and I'll just put in my weight. Say I'm moderately active. Female, obviously. Calculate, and it will calculate your sugar tank requirements. And there's a message there. I'm not going to go through everything, but there's also a tab for fruit minimum. So the minimum amount of fruit that you should eat will be worked out for you. So the minimum amount I should be eating is 1,742. And this is just for fruit only and sugar. So we have the sun crystals. I'll just put in what I ate this morning, okay, just so you can have an example. So I had a glow water, so I add one of those. And I had an extra 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can see here, current progress. It's updating as I'm doing it, 17%. So the idea is to get rid of that 1448, get right to 0. That means I've had enough fruit for the day. And I also had jackfruit. So I'm working on adding more fruit all the time. You see the jackfruit came up here. And I would have had definitely more than 2 cups. Like, yes, that's probably good for a start. And then you can see, so I still have over 1,000 calories remaining from fruit. And now what you do is add to the diary, and you choose, it's breakfast. And so it's adding it to your diary, and then it pulls you straight to the food diary. The sugar tank goal, 670. So here I've only got foods that are raw till 4 and basically fruit-based compliant, ones that I approve for you to eat. All right, so I think that's really awesome because, the chronometer just has so many you have to go through, and no, we don't want you to eat like that, okay? So there's a lot of whole foods, there's some packaged stuff and all that, but you can also manually add the food or meal. And for an example, tofu, you can have tofu firm. Let's say that's for dinner. Half a cup, okay. Add food. The food is added, and then we come down here. We got the glow water, we got sun crystals, we got jackfruit for dinner, and it's giving you a summary. And then you can go to my progress, and it's going to show you exactly what you have so far. And I think this is really beautiful. It's good to be able to screenshot it for the VIP community when you're inside and share it with everybody. And that's going to be updated as you go. And also got a graph here, daily breakdown, and movement as well. So the minimum 10,000 step movement goal. And also you can choose a whole lot of other exercise as well. So running, 30 mins, log exercise. The exercise is logged. There you go. Or I can put in my, say I did 11,000 steps. Oops, 11,000 steps. Log the steps, and then you go down here, and there you can see. Got a big tick. Go the progress, and you also got your step progress as well there. Gives you a little graph, and so I'm really excited about this. I think it's going to really, really help you a lot to meet your needs and reach your goals, fitness, the fruit, everything like that. So you can also just, dried fruits, also juice, find all the juices. Yeah, and then you can log out. So I think it's another great benefit to the Frugivore Diet Course. Something which is quite exciting for a lot of people is recipes. So there will be more than 40 unique recipe video demonstrations. So not just, the recipe, the paper recipe, actual video demonstrations how to make these recipes. And there's also going to be a beautiful matching Frugivore Diet Course recipes ebook. There's also an exclusive 12-part video series with matching ebook on frugivore physiology. So I present that mini course, and my partner actually presents his own mini course in food forestry. So creating your own fruit forest, because a lot of you have asked me about that, and he goes through it in detail. So this is really special content, and he's made 12 videos in that series, and we have a matching ebook as well. There's also over 20 pre-recorded live stream videos where I speak about various topics and answer members' questions for 1 hour each time. So that's 20 hours of videos there. And I'm also going to be hosting a monthly Zoom meeting where we can all chat in real time. So I'm really excited about that. That's going to definitely connect you with other members, and hopefully we can just create a beautiful Frugivore community. There will also be community challenges to keep you motivated and inspired. So let's go through the 6-month course outline. It was originally 12 months, but I condensed it into 6 months because I want to streamline your results. So month 1 is manifestation and visualization month. This month is really, really important because you're setting your intentions. You're making a vision book. You're following my guidebook. I have a vision guidebook, which is absolutely beautiful. Wait till you see it. And you'll be filling out this guidebook, setting your intentions, and just really getting your goals and dreams in order for the next 6 months to a year. So month 2, you'll be creating the ultimate fruit-based kitchen. Okay, we're going to show you how to do that, talk all about food prepping, and also being a frugivore in the real world, dealing with family, dealing with friends. And it's going to be a really full month of adapting this frugivore diet and lifestyle to your life. So month 3 is weight loss, fitness, and metabolic healing. A lot of people want to lose weight, and I absolutely get it. I lost over 40 pounds myself on a fruit-based diet. So I am someone who can definitely help you get there. It's a super important month, and it's all science-backed information that I present. So month 4, we dive deep into a raw food diet. We go into the Shine diet, which is my most recent diet creation, and all about sugar and incorporating those sun crystals into your diet. Month 5 is all about debunking other vegan diets, because we know there's a lot of other vegan diets out there. Keto vegan, high protein vegan, starch-based. We're going to go right into debunking those other diets, and also the science that is supporting a fruit-based and a whole food diet. So month 6 is the completion of the course. We will be summarizing everything we've learned and getting you ready as a frugivore for the real world. So if you show up and really commit, here is a list of benefits that are possible within those 6 months. Of course, everybody's results vary, but here is a list that is definitely possible. You can overcome coffee and chocolate addiction. This is almost guaranteed. Okay? Yeah. If you do it properly, it is guaranteed that you will actually not even want coffee by the end of the 6 months, or even early on, maybe within the first 30 days. This is an experience that is very, very typical within the group. So coffee and chocolate addiction, see you later. You can heal or improve hypothyroidism. I actually reversed my hypothyroidism on a fruit-based diet, the diet you are going to be learning in this course. And it's just incredible how quickly this can actually happen. Results may vary, of course, but for me, it was within a couple of months. And this was proven with a blood test. You can reverse or improve insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. You can lower your A1C. You can heal or improve chronic digestive disorders like IBS, Crohn's, colitis. This is my experience when I first came to a fruit-based diet. I was really, really suffering with irritable bowel syndrome, so it was just amazing how quickly the results came on this diet and lifestyle. You can heal or improve skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis. My mum actually reversed eczema on this fruit-based diet. You can stop binge eating for good. You can eliminate constipation and bloating. And that's just the beginning of the results that you can achieve within 6 months in the Frugivore Diet Course. So there is more to the group and the course, but that's a bit of a broad overview for you. And I really hope that you join us, because it's going to be life-changing. It's just, for me, the reason that I am still on a fruit-based diet 19 years later is because it works. It has been the only diet that has worked for me. I've tried the rest. Trust me. I've tried all the fad diets out there you can imagine, the high protein, the high fat, This is the only diet that where I can actually eat all I care for, and you can too, and get the results that you desire. It's quite amazing because it's so liberating to actually feel satisfied after eating rather than restricting all the time. So I hope you join us. It's going to be life-changing, and I look forward to seeing you in the community. There's a link in the description below.